take you past the satellites. You can see that what you brought to life, So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Love Me Like You Do by Ellie Goulding. This is the accompaniment version. It's mostly the same sort of chords all the way through, and I've been specific as I can with the chords and the voicings of them. So I have left the full chords and lyrics everywhere down below if you're interested in seeing those. So this one is in the key of A flat major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A flat major. So the chords are formed using those set of notes. Here is middle C. For a reference, we're fairly central to the camera today. The highest note you'll need is this A flat. So if this is middle C, this A flat, and then the lowest notes you have. Sometimes I'll be playing octaves. You should be able to see all the octaves that I'm playing. Maybe some of the lowest octaves may be out of shot. So we'll look at the intro first. So the right hand is going to play this motif. So the notes are on the screen. So it's going E flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat. Then it does it again. So let's have a go at doing that pattern. So the left hand will play the chords, and then the right hand will play the chords when the vocals come in. The first chord is an A major, A flat major even. So there's A flat, C, and E flat. And we're going to play all these chords in root position. And then it comes down to E flat major, so E flat, G, and B flat. So we have E flat major, and then we have I guess it's an inversion of an F minor 7 chord, but it's played in this way, so A flat, C, E flat, and F. So it makes an A flat 6 if it's played in this inversion. This is F minor 7, which is the chord we do need. Play those notes in different order, you get A flat 6. So then you hold that for 2 rounds of these. And then we have D flat major, so it's D flat, F, and A flat. Back to that E flat major chord again, so you're just moving that shape up 1. And then we have F minor, so F, A flat, C, and you hold that for 2 rounds, or 2 bars. Feel the light, and then it's into the verse. So I'll just do all of that intro. Let's look at the chords for the verse. So as I said before, the right hand is going to take over now. I'm playing the chords, and the left hand you can play. I'm going to play in 5th for now, and I'll probably stretch to octaves later on in the song to add more depth with the lower notes. So we have A flat and E flat in the left hand, or you can just play a single A flat, and then that root position of A flat major chord, so A flat, C, E flat. You're going to hold it for 4 beats. And then we're going to come up to C minor 7. So you can play E, no, you can play C and G in the left hand. And then if you don't want to play 4 notes, just play E flat, G, and B flat, so effectively an E flat major chord. But if you want to add the C in there to add more fullness, you can as well. 4 beats. And you're going to move that shape down to F minor 7, so it's the exact same shape. You see how I'm locking my hand, whoop, there, to F minor 7. So you can play F and C in the left hand, then F, A flat, C, E flat, so it creates like a zigzag shape. So for 2 bars, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to come to D flat major. So you're going to play D flat and A flat in the left hand, D flat, F, A flat in the right hand. 4 beats. Move that shape up 1 to E flat major, 2, 3, 4, up again to F minor for 8 beats. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do that chord progression twice for the first verse. The first time there's no piano, but it's the same chords, and then the piano comes in on the second time round. So we can just play it the same way both times. So I'm going to demonstrate that now with vocals. You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. I never knew that it could mean so much, so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see that what you brought to life, to life. So if on the second time, so from when the chord progression repeats, you can, if you want to, repeat the chords more often. So doing, I think, your typical 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and etc. That rhythm works for most things. So you could do that one and then just repeat the odd rhythmical note in there before you change chord. So experiment with your own rhythm. Feels good for you to sing with. So like, you're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see that what you brought to life, to life. So love me like you do. So now we're into the chorus. So there's one new chord, which is a B flat minor. So I'll just teach you that. So B flats in the left hand, either octaves or single notes, and then B flat, D flat, F. So we also have, at the end of the chord progression, an E flat sus4 into E flat major. So I think you can either play it here, E flat, A flat and B flat, and then you resolve the A flat down to a G, or you can play it here, so you have A flat, B flat, E flat, and then resolve the thumb down to the G there to give you E flat major. So either way, it's up to you, or you can alternate between both of them. So the chords for the chorus are on the screen. Again, there's no new chords except the ones I've just taught you. So I'm just going to continue. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, touch me like you do, ta ta, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Then into the second verse. So you just play this chord progression once. Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin chorus. The pre-chorus chords are the same for the verse. I'm just going to continue. Yeah, I'll let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? So you could take the hands off there, give that vocal more impact, and then into the chorus. You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. I never knew that it could mean so much, so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see the what you brought to life, to life. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, ta ta, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I'll let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, ta ta, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, ta ta, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? And then we're into the instrumental, so we do this bit again. And then into the pre-chorus. And let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, can just end it on the A flat there. So actually what's happening there, we've kind of got this string section. So it's going... So I can teach you that bit if you want to do more of an outro. So we're going to play an A flat in the left hand. We're going to play A flat major, second inversion. So E flat, A flat, C. Play root position. And then we have C, that's C minor 7. And then bring it into the A flat at the top. And then we have the F minor 7, change to a B flat, change the left hand to either D flats or D flat and A, and then you play F, A flat, E flat, and then F and A flat, and it ends, I guess, on the D flat chord. So I'll just do all that again. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you'd like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.